Welcome to FLEXIMAKE. Today we'll show you how easy it is to install a FLEXIMAKE anti-insect PVC strip curtain kit. This yellow-tinted 1 meter wide by 2.2 meters high kit is perfect for back doors, caravan entrances, small cafes, or workshop doors. Anywhere you want fresh air and light while keeping flies, mozzies, dust, and leaves out. What's special about this anti-insect curtain is that it has no smell, yet the yellow-tinted strips naturally repel insects like mosquitoes and flies. And when you don't need it, the strips can be easily removed for storage or cleaning, making it as flexible as your lifestyle. Before you start, you'll need a drill, screwdriver or driver bit, tape measure, level, pencil or marker, sticky tape, and, if trimming is required, heavy-duty scissors or a utility knife. Inside the kit, you'll find pre-cut PVC strips with holders attached, a stainless steel mounting bar, and all the screws and wall plugs needed for installation. Before purchasing, measure the width and height of your opening. If the opening is wider than one kit, order more than one set to cover the full span. Check that the hook edge of the mounting bar faces upward. This is where the strip holders will clip securely into place. Next, measure the width again and mark the height for the mounting bar. Make sure the bar is level so the strips will hang straight, and use sticky tape to temporarily hold the bar in position while you drill pilot holes. Next, we're going to put up the mounting bar. Your kit comes with screws and wall plugs. The wall plugs are only needed if you are installing on brick, cement, or concrete walls. Since we're installing on an aluminium door frame, we just need the screws. Use the sticky tape to hold the bar in place. Make sure it's nice and level. Drill a pilot hole for every screw first. This makes it easier to screw in and keeps everything secure. Then simply screw the bar in. Easy. Once done, you'll see the bar is nicely secured and perfectly level, ready for the strips to hang. Each strip comes pre-attached to a durable AISI stainless steel holder. Just make sure the front and back sides are positioned correctly before sliding into the mounting bar. Now let's hang the strips. Next step, trim and adjust the strip length. Often, the strips hang a bit longer than your doorway. Start by marking the height you need on the first strip. You can trim it with a heavy-duty scissors or a utility knife, both work perfectly. Then, use that first strip as a template to cut all the others to the same length. This keeps your curtain looking neat and ensures everyone can pass through smoothly. Need extra coverage or a wider doorway? These strips are fully extendable. Simply use multiple kits side by side for a seamless barrier. Flexible, easy, and perfect for any home, cafe, or workshop entrance, keeping insects out while letting fresh air in. And that's it. Your FLEXIMAKE anti-insect strip curtain is ready to keep insects and dust out while letting fresh air flow in, all while maintaining full visibility through the clear, yellow-tinted strips. It's completely kid and pet friendly, so the whole family can move through safely and easily. Choosing the right kit depends on your use. For larger openings or heavy traffic areas, check out our commercial grade or extra heavy-duty kits at flexitransport.com.au. For more useful tips and installation videos, check out our Facebook and YouTube channels.